The communication through the process has been outstanding, both with deliverables from Dev Plus to us for what it was that we outlined for them to do in the various stages of this, all the way out to Karen volunteering to come to a sale or come over to our offices where we had a test sale set up going on, so she could actually see how the tags she was generating in her application were going to be used, and then what the database process was on the desktop side, generating the information to go back to her. With our organizational experience, we understand that when we're working for clients, if you sit down and come up with a spec, when you have that specification, you've got no guarantee that that's what the client really needs, okay? Because you're filling a need that they're just evolving an understanding of how this system can work for them. Karen was comfortable with that process when we proposed it to her, and she was one of the only people that we had contact with that was comfortable with that process. So we gave her a rough specification, and it really wasn't written down. She's been very adaptable from the standpoint of changing things that we got wrong, you know, misunderstandings about what it was that we actually needed to do. She's volunteered to go to sales. She's sat on the phone in technical support with users, basically called users and talked to them about potential problems that they had with it so that she could understand what those fixes were. From a competitive standpoint, she acts like she's an employee of the company. You know, we'll give her mandates to go off and look at things that the competition is doing so that we can make our interface better, easier to use, to have a competitive advantage against those guys, and she's done that.